Welcome to BetterThanRealGrass.com. We offer high-quality artificial grass. With so many variations of artificial turf available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your space. That's why we offer free samples, so you can see and feel the quality for yourself. Try them out and rest assured that you've chosen the best fake grass to suit your needs. Our artificial grass is built to last. With proper care and maintenance, your lawn can stay green and beautiful for up to 20 years. If you're still not sure which artificial turf to choose or have specific questions, we invite you to visit our showroom. Here you can see larger samples of our products and talk to our professional experts who will explain the pros and cons of each option. Don't settle for inferior turf. Experience the beauty and comfort of artificial turf. Contact us for more information. BetterThanRealGrass.com. Call us now, San Rafael, 415-456-2169.